Hey guys, this is Hassan from the Nerd Mag, and today we are here with the mid-range killer phone from none other than Realme, the Realme 3 Pro. So as you all would be aware by now about Realme from our previous video which we made on the Realme 3, you guys can guess that if that phone was so amazing in its range, this has to be a killer cause this is the Realme 3 Pro. So without wasting any more time, let's get to the phone. As you can see, we have a visibly larger box than the previous version and there is a good reason for it too, but we will get to that later. Lifting the box cover, we can see that you don't get the phone on top, which is now becoming an industry norm. Anyways, here you can find the SIM ejector along with some guides and a nice silicone case. Moving further below, we get the phone in nitro blue color, which just looks amazing, but let's keep it aside for now and dive deeper. And this is the reason for the bigger box, the 18-watt VOOC charger. No doubt this charger is huge, but it is supposed to be pretty fast too. We have a nice yellow accent and a VOOC logo on it, but the cable might disappoint you cause it's only a micro USB cable, but again with a pretty good accent. The cable is very thick, but that is probably due to the fast VOOC charging support. I personally like that Realme opted for a yellow accent, their brand color, which looks pretty slick. Moving on to the beast now, we can see that this phone looks absolutely gorgeous in the nitro blue color. The phone also comes in lightning purple and carbon grey. On the top of the phone, we have a notch and very small bezels. Looking at the back, we have dual lens camera setup which consists of a 16 megapixel Sony sensor and a secondary 5 megapixel sensor. Lastly, we have a fingerprint sensor at the upper middle section of the phone and very minimum Realme branding. On the top of the phone, we have a microphone hole and nothing else. On the right side, we have a single power button and on the left, we have the volume rockers. At the bottom, we have the speaker grill, micro USB port and a microphone. Well, that's it for now, so stay tuned for a full review of the Realme 3 Pro. This phone is going to launch tomorrow in Pakistan, 29th May. The expected price is around 40k or less. We hope Realme surprises us as they did with the Realme 3 pricing.